Hi, in this video we are discussing JSON in Python. Now open the Jupyter notebook using your command prompt and enter the command Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. I already opened the Jupyter notebook. Now what is the JSON? The JSON is the JavaScript object notation. Now how to handle JSON in Python? By using the JSON module. How to use the JSON module? First import the JSON module and you can use it. How to import the JSON module? By using the import keyword along with the module name and click on run. Now check the what are the methods for JSON in Python. You can use dir, it is the directory, and pass the JSON module or JSON object. Click on run. Now in this video we are discussing 4 methods: dump, dumps, load, loads. In JSON we discussed the 2 techniques: serialization and deserialization. Now what is the serialization? Transform Python object to JSON object. Now what is the deserialization? Transform JSON object to Python object. Now what are the Python objects? The Python data types called as a Python objects. For example, list, dictionary, tuple, sets, array, string, int, float, etc. Now what are the JSON objects? Object, arrays, string and true, false, etc. Now how to handle serialization in Python? Here use the 2 methods dump and dumps. Now what is the dump? The dump is used for convert the or transforms the Python object to JSON object, and the dump is used for to write the data into the file, and dumps is used for transforms Python object to JSON object and print it into the prompt only. For example, transform Python dict into JSON string. Now we can perform Python dictionary object to JSON string. Now use the dump method. Then use the file. First open the file using the keyword with. You can use the any file name extension with JSON. For example, a.json. Now pass the mode, means write mode as file name. This statement is open with the a.json and write some data and call instead of with open a.json. You can use the f. Here as is the alias name. You can directly call the f in anywhere in the your code. Here use json dot dump method, pass the two parameters. First one is the Python object, second one is the file object. Now create a Python object. For example, we are passed the Python object as a dictionary and converted into the JSON string. Now here you have a two books. Now create a dictionary for that. For example, book 1. The book 1 contains book ID. For example, B1001. Book name contains Python and book cost. For example, 100. This is the book 1. Now book 2. The book 2 contains book ID. Here book ID is for example B1002. Book name, for example, use Java and book cost. Here use 50. Here the D is the dictionary. Here two books. Every book contains the book ID, book name and book cost. Now pass the Python object. Now click on run. Now the a.json will be created in your current path and your dictionary will be transforms as a JSON string. Now open a.json in your desktop or you can use current path directory. Here the file is a.json. Now click on that. Here this is the JSON string extended with the JSON, JavaScript object notation. Now use the dumps method. It will displace the converted JSON object into the prompt. Didn't write any data into the file. That is the only difference between dump and dumps. Now use the json dot dumps. You can directly pass the Python object and after converting JSON object, for example here you can pass the Python object. Now it returns the JSON object. Now storing the JSON object in some variable, for example yes. Now click on run. Here S contains the JSON string. You can also use the type of S. Here this is the str. Now you can also check what is the D. Add a new cell. Here check type of D, click on run. Here it returns the dict. Then you can use the dumps method. It will be transforms the your Python dictionary object to JSON string. Here this is the string. Now how to use the deserialization? By using load and loads. The load is same as dump and loads is same as dumps. Now you can use the load to read the JSON data and convert it as a dictionary. With open your file, that is a.json, for read mode as file 1. For example, now JSON dot load, you can directly pass the file object and store the converted string into the particular variable, that is the, for example, B. Now click on run. Now print B. Here it contains the dictionary. Before, the a.json contains the JSON string. After using the JSON.load method, the JSON string will be converted into the Python object. The Python object will be stored into the variable B and the print the B variable. We can also check type of B. It returns the dict. Now the JSON string will be converted into the Python object. Now use the loads method. It is a print on the prompt. For example, use the another variable. For example, R. Here is the JSON dot loads. Here you can pass before your JSON string, that is S. Here the S contains the JSON string object that will be converted into the Python object, and the converted data will be stored into the R variable. And click on the run and print R. The R contains the dictionary. You can also check type of R and click on run. Here the R contains the dictionary. These are the serialization and deserialization techniques in JSON. Thank you for taking the time. In next video we discuss with some programs. Thank you.